Hi, I'm Andrew Armstrong and welcome to the Back of the Teardown Lab. You might recall this torch. It was in a recent video where I tested all of these, and at the conclusion of that video this one packed in for no good reason. So I've decided to actually do a more thorough teardown on this because I really want to bloody make it work. Now, the odd thing is, it did seem to stop working after I kind of cranked on these knobs on the end a little bit, so there might be the possibility I overdid something and snapped a wire, but until I get it all apart and have a look, I will not know. So I'm just getting this in. That contact on the battery looks a bit iffy. I'm going to kind of move that around a bit. I wonder if that's all it is. If that's all it is, then great. No such luck. But it's easy to test the old battery pack. Let's get it on the old little springs. 4.86 volts. 4.86 volts. Sounds good enough to me. And if it's good enough for you, it's good enough for me. There's our LED. Let's get inside its flibbity flubbities. It's lovely jubblies. Come on. Dang it. Why do they make things as if they don't want you to take them apart again? Right. Now that's that kind of module that we've seen in so many things, haven't we? These are pretty standard fare, actually. You can buy these. And then behind that, there's actual electronic hickory and a little chip. Ooh. I'm just going to see if these end caps... No. I suspect, looking at it, it's all designed in a way where those things don't really come off. Oh! I think I have broken it, you know. If you look inside there, if only I had a torch. If only I had a million head torches to show you. Right. Oh, this is good, isn't it? Maybe we need a torch just by the end of the camera on the old back office bench. So that thing I was twisting there, the PCB's in that, and as I twist it round, I've probably cut those bloody wires. What a mubbins. A mubbins, it's not even a real word. I don't deserve a real insult word, I just had to make one up. So maybe we can lever that off. Ooh. No, this is my €5 one. Very distressing for everybody. Especially those people at home who get really freaked out when I use a scalpel. They're going, oh my... They really freak out. I mean, properly. You can read it in the comments, people freaking out about it. As if it's like I'm scalping something with their fingers in the way. Alright. So that's that end. Look at that force I'm putting on that. I don't think this is what comes off. I really doubt that's going to want to come off. But I must prove if that... Oh, hang on a cotton picking minute. Look. If twisting that makes this thing... It probably hasn't broken. It's just probably put out of alignment. These things. Hang on. We've just got to check if this part is the negative or the positive. I think it should be the negative terminal. This could be a real easy fix. And it is the negative terminal. Ooh. And like... Bloody hell. So I must have I twisted that right round. I mean, that's totally out of alignment. That has to be there. It actually went loose there. It was like, oh, thank God. It went slack, probably because all that red cable wasn't under stress anymore. Come on now. Give it to me. Yeah! That's good. That's because I didn't want to have to fanny around inside that part anymore. I wouldn't mind just putting a bit of glue on that or something to stop that happening in the future. But I think we're curious enough now to actually just want to kind of try at least to get into this part and see what's in there. Sigh. Did you hear that? That was like a proper sigh. Got that one loose. Got that one loose. Oh. Coming on. So we've got our two screws out. Hang on. Stop blinding me. Okay. Right, so I was trying to yank this thing off. up, it's got a whole little insert here and it's stressed wires. And that's all that's in there, look. Nice little switch. And a little IC that just controls everything really. And you've got a little transistor for the... So let's see, we've got two things going on. We've got flash and regular. And you can see basically all that's going on. So you have the power switch here. And this is kind of a mode toggle. And you can see one click do that. One click do that. And a final click knock it off. And basically all we're doing, it's just switching the power through this transistor, it appears. However, interestingly enough... okay, that makes a lot of sense. So just to show you, I was just sort of scratching my head. So you've got one power wire going here through the LED and then it's coming back here. And then this chip is basically toggling the base on this transistor here, which is allowing the current to travel from here, the collector to the emitter, there and there. And that's letting it through. So really, I wonder if you... Yep, there you go. See? Ding! I can just do it myself. Do it right there. So I'm happy that's working. I'm going to reassemble that and be done with it. So there, nice little thing, nice little fix. By the way, if you ever want to, you could probably mod that. You could probably put in your own little microcontroller circuit that just does something off that. You could do your little Pi or something, Raspberry Pi. Just toggle that. If you put there, you see, a voltage on it, and it's not, because of that resistors there, it's not floating, but if it was floating, that would probably activate just from me touching it normally. But it's not. Anyway, there you go. As ever. Thanks for watching.